Hello my friends, it's mankind for weather and disasters news. Deadly tornado claims 5 lives as extreme weather hits Guangdong. A strong tornado reaching EF2 intensity with powerful winds capable of tearing off entire roofs struck Guangdong, China. The tornado spanned about 1 kilometer, and videos captured debris from factories lifted into the air. Severe weather, including intense tornadoes, large hailstones, and heavy thunderstorms, hit southern China's Guangdong province over the weekend, resulting in 5 fatalities, 33 injuries, and damage to multiple buildings. On Saturday, around 3 p.m., EF2 tornado struck near Liangtian Village, close to Guangzhou, Guangdong's capital. Its path covered approximately 1 kilometer and impacted 4 villages, as seen in video showing factory debris carried by tornado. That's the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching it, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more weather and disasters news.